Hi, my name is Harry Irvine. I'm with California Air Conditioning. Today I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter. First thing we want to do is go to the thermostat and make sure the thermostat is in off position. Make sure that nothing is running. Somewhere in your house, it could be in the hallway, it could be in the attic, or in the garage, you're going to have a furnace that looks just like this. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter. Wow, this filter is really dirty, and the last time the filter was replaced was August 21st, 2011. Here's a clean filter, dirty filter. Okay, same thing when you take out the old filter, make sure where the arrows go, it points up. So here we go. Put the filter in. And make sure you put the clamp on here so the filter stays in position so it does not get sucked up in the blower.